Hello friend, welcome back to my lecture on database connectivity. So in previous lecture I have discussed about different commands of database connectivity regarding connection, driver manager, and select query, insert query, and create query. So today I am discussing about some advanced command of database connectivity. So basically this is the flowchart of the database connectivity. We have been different databases on the DBMS1 on DBMS2. So we have been using the ODBC driver, and through driver and driver ODBC driver manager we are connected, and there is JDBC ODBC bridge between driver manager, JDBC driver manager and ODBC manager. So on the top layer we have Java application, and then in second layer we have JDBC API. So this is the chart of the JDBC ODBC access for connectivity in the access database connectivity. However, for Oracle and SQL database connectivity, we have some different structure of flowchart, slightly different but almost same structure. So today I am discussing about the prepared statement. This prepared statement is used for in this case it is used for the insert command. So prepared statement is a method and interface. This is called prepared statement, basically method. We can also say interface, and it is used to insert optional or user input. So suppose in case of the user send to input to any table, so in that case prepared statement is used. In result set query we can only select query. In case of the result set query we only select value, but from prepared statement we can do everything: insert, update, delete, everything we can do in prepared statement. However, in case of the select query we can also we use result set here. So in previous examples you can see here we have been this execute query. However, we have different queries, different statement we have studied in the previous classes. So these are the driver manager and as well as connection dot create statement query. This is the second statement. Create table query. In case of the create table we use execute update, and in case of the insert query we also use execute update, and in case of select query we use execute query command. So these are the different commands, and finally we require result set to extract the data from the table, and through execute query we run the select query. So finally we will have this result set rs, and by using the loop rs.next we will extract the value of each field by get integer for integer value and get string for string value. These are two functions, and ssn name and marks are the variables. So this way we have done already programming. So finally we'll close the statement, and this is one of the complete program. Here we have mentioned here class dot for name sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc odbc driver for connecting ms access database, and the second statement is connection c1 equals to driver manager dot get connection. So here we have mentioned here jdbc colon odbc, and mail is the dsn name, and third statement is the statement st equals to connection dot create statement. By this line we are creating a blank statement, and by this line we are installing the driver, and then we are creating the connection. And in case of Oracle we will write here second argument username and third argument as a password. So and here in this program we are using the select query. So in case of the select query, select asterisk from student. So we are writing here execute query statement function. So by this execute query function we are using this select query, and uh, we are extracting all the data here from the student table to rs object. So by using while rs.next we are extracting one by one record, one by one row. So get string name and get string roll number. So these are the two functions here we are using, and system.out.println. By using this statement we are printing extracted values. So this is the complete program. So today in this lecture I am describing you prepared statement. So I already told you, in case of the prepared statement we can use insert, update and delete all command. So we'll start program by import java.sql.star, and then we have the name of class test prepared, and inside this class we have public static void main, and exception handling we have used here, throw exception, and this is try block and this is catch block. And inside this try block you can see here, so we have mentioned here, see it in small letter. And so we are using prepared statement over here. So you can see in this program, class, the first statement will be same, class dot for name oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. So we are using here oracle for connection. We are connecting with the oracle, so we will write here oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. And the second statement, connection c equals to driver manager dot get connection. And inside the bracket we are writing here, so JDBC, we have mentioned here the connection string. JDBC, it is started by the JDBC. JDBC colon, it will be colon, not semicolon, misprinted here semicolon. JDBC colon oracle colon theme colon @ localhost 1521 dot colon xe. So 1521 is the port number, and this is the connection string, and system is the username and oracle is the password, and this is the connection statement. So in case of SQL, accordingly we will change the connection string, and you can Google it from the Google, you can find it from the Google, that accordingly the connection string of SQL as well as Oracle. And the third statement is the prepared statement. So in place of the simple statement we are writing a prepared statement, because prepared statement is used for insert, update and delete all the queries we can do by the prepared statement. And prepared statement is a method and interface, and it is used to insert optional or user input value. So according the user input, it takes or retrieve the values. So this is the prepared statement. So we have mentioned here pst dot set string and pst dot set integer. So we suppose we have two fields inside the table ABC. So we have mentioned here prepared statement pst equals to c dot prepared statement. So c is the object of connection class. So c dot prepared statement insert into table name values, and these two question mark is for two fields. So the two fields are these two fields, pst dot set string first field, and its value is Amit, and pst dot set integer second field, and its value is 192. So we have mentioned here two question mark for two fields. So it means in the table ABC we have two fields, and we have to while we will create the table, then we have to provision for two fields in this table, ABC table. So insert into ABC values these two question mark, and this is insert statement. And due to prepared statement we can directly write the insert statement, insert query here, and this is helpful for user input, directly for user input. And pst dot execute update, by using this pst dot execute update we will insert the values. So integer I equals to pst dot execute update, and then system dot out dot println success, and then c dot close, then connection, finally we will close the connection, and this is catch block. And if there is any error in this try block, then accordingly it will display the message. So it will generate the exception, and system through system.out.println it will display the message accordingly. So again you can see here first statement is for the driver, for loading the driver, and second statement is for the establishing connection, and third statement is for preparing the insert statement. So we have mentioned here insert statement, prepared statement, pst its object equals to c dot prepared statement, c dot prepared statement. So you can see here this is the prepared statement function, and by this function we have mentioned here insert query, and here we have mentioned only question mark because we are giving user input. Through user we are inputting the value of two fields. So by this statement we are providing first value and second value, and here we are directly copying Amit and 192 on this statement pst.setString, but directly from any text box we can mention here the value. So suppose we are writing here 1 comma text1 dot text. So first text box value will be transferred to the first field. So by this function, so we can also mention here the second text box. So finally we'll write here pst dot execute update. By this execute update statement we'll execute this insert statement. So guys, this is the use of prepared statement, and in next class I will discuss about some more advanced database connectivity functions, and how to store the value of how to store video as well as audio in database table. So I will discuss about all these advanced facts and advanced technique. So thank you guys, thank you very much.